Good morning, class 7. Yesterday we have read about the conversion of a decimal number into terminating decimal into rational number. And today we have to solve some special problems related to our chapter decimal number as decimals, because the simplification of decimals and rational numbers is very important. So take a look at this. Students, here I am taking first question 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 6.25 divided by 0.25. In solution, first we have to write the given expression 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 6.25 divided by 0.25. Now, in the next step, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 as usual, and first we have to solve division. So 6.25 by 0.25 it is written. Now these are the like decimals, so we can remove these decimals in the next step. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 6.25 by 25 after removing the decimals. Now it is reducible in 25. 25 into 25 is 625. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 25 by 1 it is. Now we have to take the LCM of 2, 5 and 1, that is 10. So 2 5 are 10, 5 1 are 5 plus 5 2 are 10, 2 1 are 2 plus 1 10 are 10, 10 into 250 that is 250. 10 into 225 that is 250. Which gives us 27 by 10. You can leave it 257 by 10 or you can change it into decimal 25.7. In the next question, I am taking here 1.44 into, in bracket 144 divided by 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. 1.44 in the next step into, we have to solve the first bracket problem, that is 144 by 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. It is divisible in 12 times. Now 1.44 into, this is 12 minus 0.225 and plus 3.276 as usual. Now, in the next step, we have to multiply 1.44 into 12, by which we get 17.28 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. After that, we have to make sure that positive numbers are in the same place. 17.28 plus 3.276 minus 0.225. We have to add these two numbers. So here I am writing 17.28 and putting 10 to make like decimal and 3.276. After adding we get 20.556, which is written here, 20.556 minus 0.225. Now we subtract 0.225, then we will get 20.331, which is written here. This is the answer. Now, in the next question, 156.25 divided by 0.025 in bracket into 0.202 minus 5.2. This is very simple. We have to write it in the form of division. 156.250 for like decimal by 0.025 into 0.02 minus 5.2. When now we are removing the decimals, so we'll get 156.250 by 25. After reducing, we get 6250 into 0.02 as usual minus 5.2 as usual. Now 6250 into 0.02 minus 5.2. Now we have to multiply these two things. then we will get 125.00 minus 5.20 to make it like decimals. And then we subtract 125.0 minus 5.2, we will get 119.8. This is 119.8. Now, I am taking another example. 0.4 into 0.04 into 0.005 by 0.1 into 10 into 0.001 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. This is very simple, but this number is very complicating because of the decimals and places of decimal. So we have to careful about the places of decimal. We have to multiply 4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.04 and 0.005. So 4 4 ja 16, 16 5 ja 80. We can write here 80, and after 80 we have to make sure that 3, 2 and 6. So when we write here 80, then we have to put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 places we have to put the decimal. Okay, and 1, 10 and 1. After multiplying these two, we get 10. Okay, we get 10. And for make them like decimal, we have to do 1 and putting the decimal 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to put the decimal after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to make it like decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 we have to make. Now after solving, after removing this decimal, we can write it 8 by 100, 8 by 100, or you can write 80 by 1000. Then we can remove the zeros, and after that it is 8 by 100. Then 4 2 ja 8 and 4 25 ja 100. Now it will be 2 by 25 and minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 as usual. Now equal to, you have to find out the LCM of these 25, 2 and 5. So it will be 50. 25 2 ja, 2 2 ja 4. 2 25 ja, 25 1 ja 25, and 5 10 ja 50, so it is 10. Now 10 and 4 14 minus 25 by 50, then it will be minus 11 by 50. Now I am taking another example. 0.144 divided by 1.2 by 0.016 divided by 0.02 plus 7 by 5 minus 12, 21 by 8. Then you have to write this in the P by Q form. Then 0.144 by 1.2, and to make it like decimal we have to put 2 zeros here. Then again in the denominator 0.016 divided by 0.02, and to make it like decimal we have to put another 0 here, plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. These are the simple things. Now here you can remove the decimals because of like decimal. It will be 144 by 1200 and it will be 16 by 20. Now you can reduce 12 ja 12 1 ja, so 100, and 4 3 ja, so 425 ja. Again 4 4 ja 4 5 ja, plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. It will be 3 by 25, it will be 4 by 5 and plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. Now this thing can be written as 3 by 25 divided by 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. First we have to solve this. 3 by 25 into 5 by 4. After changing it this division to multiplication, we have to write reciprocal of this 5 by 4 plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. After that, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25 reduction, and then after reduction it is 3 by 20 plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. Now we have to find out the LCM. 25 and 8, that is 40. 22 ja 40, so 2 3 ja 6, 5 8 ja 40, so 8 7 ja 56, and 8 5 ja 20, 8 5 ja 40, so 5 21, that is 105. That will be 62 minus 105 by 40, and ultimately it will be minus 43 by 40. Students, I think you can understand now how you can solve a given expression having rational number and decimals. Students, I will give you worksheet. You have to solve the worksheet on the basis of this type of problems. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.